I start off by saying, first of all, we have to realize that we are in this together. The world is now a global village. This is not just a virus for China, in the same way as Ebola was not a virus for Africa. If we look at what happened to AIDS victims with the AIDS virus in the 1970s and the 1980s, because we stigmatized, the world stigmatized AIDS patients, they went underground and the outbreak became larger. So this is a time for facts. It's not a time for fear. It is a time for science. It is not a time for rumors. This is what we would say. It is a time for solidarity, not stigmatizing a certain community, a certain people, and so forth. So in terms of what Chinese media has done, Chinese media has been very open in how the country is trying to deal with the epidemic, right? It is the World Health Organization has called it an epidemic. They've said it is not a pandemic. Now, I work for CGTN in Africa, and I remember a few weeks back, actually about 2 weeks back, we called all of African media, and we said any media that would like access to our correspondents in Wuhan to do live commentary on exactly what is happening in Wuhan, you're very welcome to help us facilitate you so that we in Africa are not the ones giving you the information. You get the information right from the source. So in terms of being open, in terms of being, wanting to come out with the facts, I think Chinese media have done a commendable job by enabling other media, if they so wish, right, to tap into our resources in Wuhan and in other centers that the outbreak has happened, so that people can get up-to-date information. And the link we were providing was a live link, so it wasn't that you get the information from people who are not at the source.